Yeah, good day, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we want to learn about trend. A lot of questions coming is about how to trade the trend of boom and crash. The asking apart from scalping and then catching the spikes. What if you want to follow the trend and trade trend? How do we go about it? Any special strategy? That's what we are about doing today. I'm bringing you a little strategy, but very powerful, of how you trade trend. So I give you the rules you have to follow and how to do the trade. Yes. So the only motivation for me is the subscription. You subscribe and then you give me the like. Then we go. So with the trend, the first thing you need to know is to identify the trend. So how will you identify the trend? You identify the trend by using the 1 hour time frame. You confirm it with a 4 hour time frame for you to know the trend. But basically, if you want to trade trend, I use the 15 minutes to trade a trend with boom and crash. But before you come to 15 minutes, just as you can see here, it's 15 minutes here. But then before you come to the 15 minutes, you have to confirm with 1 hour. I've put in it at 1 hour time frame. Then you also go to 4 hour time frame. This is a 4 hour one. All this with this current market, we can see all of them showing a downtrend. So we are seeing a downtrend here for the 4 hour. Maybe you didn't study. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour is still downtrend. You can see. Then from here, then I go to the 15 minutes. This is where we will do our trading. So the first key thing is for you to identify the trend, whether it is an uptrend or a downtrend. Yes, so with this, if you're able to spot the trend, you'll be able to draw a line showing your higher high and your higher low for the uptrend. So if we spot an uptrend, you need to be able to draw a line to indicate your higher high and your higher low in the market. You see? So like this, you draw a line to indicate where the market hits before pulling back and go. So this high is here, but this high is higher than this. That's why we call this one the higher high. And this high too is still higher than this. So this is the first, this is the second, this is the third highs. These higher highs and higher lows are very important for those who want to trade breakout. You see, we have with the trending, you want to follow the trend with your trades, or you want to trade breakout. It's two things. Either you follow the trend with your trade or you trade breakout. If you want to trade breakout, it's very important you be able to spot your higher highs and your higher lows for the uptrend, and also your lower low and then the lower high for the downtrend. So it's two. Either you trade the breakout. The breakout, if you want to, in my next video, I will do the breakout. Maybe that one works very good for most people. But I prefer following the trend. As in, if it is going down, you look for opportunities to also sell. If the market is going down, is in a downtrend, I look for opportunities to sell so that you follow the trend. So that's the video I'm doing today, how to follow the trend with your trades. But there is another one for you to also follow trade breakout. So the breakout is if the market is going the uptrend like this, and you're looking for opportunities to enter the market at this point so that you will come down with the market and make those profits. So it is going up. You're looking for the sniper entry at the consolidation zone. So there is a consolidation here, you want to enter and then fall down with the market. Yes. So that is the two things you need to you know when you want to trade the trend. Either you trade a breakout or you trade with the you go with the market. So today we are looking. So first thing, you identify the trend with a higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour. Then you put it at 15 minutes for you to do your trading. So you spot your higher high and higher lows, and then your lower low and lower highs for the downtrend. And those lower lows and lower highs, they forms the support and resistance level. Yes, the support and the resistance level. In my next video, I will explain that one. So that's the other one. So you draw your lines. You draw your lines. That's your higher high and lower lows. You draw that lines to help you, for you to be able to spot your breakout and do your sniper entry. Yes, but what is very important in this trend trading is you have to trail your stop loss. We call it trailing your stop loss. So maybe let me give an example here. Maybe you entered a sell at this point. Maybe you entered the market there, sell, and the market is falling. And maybe this is your stop loss one, stop loss one. You have to move the loss one. Maybe the market has moved to this direction. You have to bring your stop loss here. You have to bring the stop loss one here. So that if the trend changes, at least you'll be able to protect your profits a little, so that it won't go back to your stop loss. It's very important, trailing your stop loss. Sometimes if there is a pullback and you are very certain that the market will keeps going down, you add more trade. That's those who are having a bigger account. But if your account or your balance is small, trail your stop loss, so that at least you'll be building small profits. It's better than losing all. Yes. So this is it. This is the strategy I'm using. You add moving average. Let me show you to the main chart. So this is the moving average. When you come, you leave the period at 10. The shift is zero. Method is simple. You apply to close. The style is 4 pixel. You take notice of that. The color, you choose the color of your choice. I didn't pick any levels here. So that is the moving average, how you add it to your main chart. That is what we will use to do the trading. Remember, I'm following the trend here. So you take note. If you want to follow the trend with this video I'm doing, the first thing you need to do is you add your moving average to the main chart. That's the first one. And the second one is you are looking for pullbacks. You are looking for pullbacks to put in your trade. Let me show you an example of the pullbacks here. So let's say you've spotted that currently the market is in the downtrend. Based on the first thing we did with the 1 hour, we were able to spot this downtrend. Fine. Then we put it at 15. Then you want to enter the market. You see, after spotting it, you enter the first one. Yes, you enter the first trade at this point. Why will you enter your first trade there? We are looking for opportunity to enter when the trend. The reason why we are adding the MA, the moving averages, anytime the market touches the moving average, that's where you put in your trade with a 50-minute time frame. So when the market moves to touch this moving average, now it is on a downtrend, so we are selling. You sell at this point. So you are looking at the moving average. So anytime the market moves, it moves down to this direction, then there is a pullback. We call this one a pullback. It pulls back and touches the moving average again. That is where you sell. So with me, if you want to make the maximum number of profits, anytime you are seeing a pullback, you leave the market. So maybe you put in this trade, it moves here, and you see that the trend is going up. You can leave the market here. Yes, so that maybe if it touches and the trend is coming down, you can enter again at this point. You understand? So anytime the market touches the moving average, you put in a trade, then you put in a stop loss so that you don't lose much in case that is the point of change, as in the reversal of trend. My next video will give you a more insight of the reversal because that one is focusing on uh, trading breakout. So if you know the possible breakout, you'll be able to even trade with a trend very well. So you know when to leave the market. And this thing is very important for even those who are scalping, so that you know when to leave the market. Yes. So let's look at this. So at this point, let's see the number of trades we could have made here. We entered the first one here. Um it touches the moving average. That's the first one. The second one here, you see, when we move down, this one came here. It touches this moving average here, and it came down. Boom. You see, it came to meet this one too. It touches it here, and it came down. It touches it here again, and it came down all the way this way. So you could see, anytime it comes to touch the moving average, it falls. So it is on a downtrend. Is on a downtrend. But if you are even a good trader, when you enter here, because you want to go long, you spotted a trade, you entered it here. You understand? No need closing it. You have your stop loss and then your take profit. Maybe you can add take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So you only be trailing your stop loss. As the market moves down, you'll be trailing with the stop loss. You'll be trailing with a stop loss until you make your maximum number of profits. You are okay with. So this is the strategy. It's very good for those who want to go long. It will help you to spot the direction of the trend. Then you put in a trade. Then the rest is just to allow the market to move. You follow it with trailing stop loss, but you have to be disciplined and be patient. Sometimes a little pullback, somebody will close his trade, then later you see that it is going your direction. It's very painful. If it's an uptrend, it's the same. If it's an uptrend, anytime it moves down to touch the moving average, you put in a trade. Anytime it touches the moving average, you put in a trade. It will go. Same with the stop loss. Same with the the uptrend and the downtrend. But please put this strategy in your demo. Give it a try. It works very much. It's good for those who are trading with the trend. It's very good. So you try it on your demo. Be patient. You see, you don't rush and lose all your money. You have to be patient. Build it slow, step by step. And don't be rushing to put in every single signal you see, every single trade. So sometimes you allow this trade to go, then you look for different one and trade. The only secret in this market is patience and discipline. Those who are making the money, it's not like they have magic or it's the same strategies we are using. That's that's what I'm using. This is what I'm sharing with you. Is the same strategy. Maybe the only difference between me and those who are losing money is like they are not patient enough. They are not disciplined enough. Somebody will be like, oh, this one is a good signal. Let me put in one lot so that I'll recover all my trade. By the time you realize you've lost everything in your account, then you feel like quitting. No. So I've been saying that boom and crash is the hope for all new traders. Boom and crash is the hope. You can be trading small, small, scalping small, small, and even catching spikes without losing big in the industry. So this is the strategy. Please like the video, give a thumb up, and there's this one thing. I have a bonus. I call this one bonus video, or I don't know how to put it for my followers. I have a video I'll upload in the next few days, about 3-4 days. Basically, it's not about boom and crash, it's about forest. It's about forex, and it will give you free money. Yes, how to make free $140. How to make $140 for free. You're not putting any money, no one city. Is free. You can make a minimum of $100 or a maximum of $140 for free to start your forex. Like that was how I started mine. So I'll share that video for my followers. I've gotten the 1K. I've gotten the 1K subscribers. So I'll put in that video. At least you can make 70 USD, 100 USD to start your forex life for free. That was how I started. Frankly speaking, I didn't start forex trading with money. I only made some free 100 USD somewhere, and I started trading with it. So I will share that video. Then you also make free a maximum of $140. I'll show you how to win it. It's just some discipline and some procedure. You follow that one, then you make it for free. Yes. So in my next video, I will upload that one. Then my followers will also get it. So if you've not subscribed yet, you can subscribe and get that free money. Within 20 days, you make the $140. You not pay any even one USD to anybody. You just made $140 and start your trading or even increase your capital. Yes. So like the video. I want to end it here. I don't want it to be too short. Like it and share for me, and leave your comments below. If there's any question, I'll leave my email below. You can give me an email. I'll respond to it. Then we make the money together. If you have any suggestions to any corrections, you can send them also, so that I'll update the videos for everybody to enjoy in the next one. Yes, so this one is a trend trading. My next video is about how to trade a breakout. The breakout is if you are the market is going an uptrend, and let's say it's going an uptrend like this, then you want to enter and make some good money here. That's the breakout. Yes, but it's best to be following the trend. For me, it's best to be following the trend than wanting to catch the breakout point. It's mostly sometimes difficult. But with discipline, it's also easy though. Yes. So thank you guys for today's video. Catch you next time, and leave the like, subscribe for me, and let's move forward. Thank you. Enjoy a better trading week, and catch you next time. Please subscribe so that you get a free video for my next upload. Thank you so much. All the best.